filter feeder and how we can install the stainless steel basket that is included with the unit into the tank. So we want to take our filter bag, which can be purchased separately, and once again, it includes the 1 micron, 5, 20, and 50 micron options. So you can select either of those. So we'll take our filter bag, we'll fold it, and we'll insert it directly into the basket. And there is a metal ring that is inside the filter bag that will allow the filter bag to sit on the lip of the stainless steel basket. And then you want to ensure that the bottom of the filter bag is touching the bottom of the cylinder. And once you have that, here also to note, there is a strap here that allows for you to easily take off the filter for replacement and changing. So once that's secured in, drop it in directly into the top of the filter feeder. Take your cap and then just close it. And you can see how simple that is to install when you compare it with a DBF-5 HP. When converting it from a bypass feeder to a filter feeder, it's a little bit more involved. You want to make sure that the filter bag is very tightly attached to the filter frame, and you want to make sure that the connection tubing is aligned, when you insert it. So it's a little bit more involved when compared to the filter feeder, and that's why this is, if you're looking for an option where we're filtering whether it's sediment or different types of particles, this would be your best option.